Are you tired of the limitations of the Canva free plan? Imagine being able to access all the powerful features of Canva without paying a dime. Welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Ezigbo Ijoma, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the secret hack to unlock the Canva Pro for free. It is completely free, no subscriptions, no limitations, just pure value. So stay tuned to discover this life-changing hack. To get Canva Pro for free, open your browser and type Bingo Tingo. Open the first link. Scroll down until you get best social media platforms. Click on it. Scroll down again. You will see free guide, and then under it you will see you can get this in a certain seconds. Here it is 43 seconds. Allow it to load until it gets to 0. Click download. Also click on get here and on join team, and you have successfully gotten your free Canva Pro plan. You can now design whatever you want on Canva without any restrictions. Thanks for watching, guys. In this channel, I create in-depth tutorials on the digital skills that will take your career to the next level, whether you are just starting out or an expert. So make sure to hit your notification bell and the subscription button to be up to date. Thank you.